Get paid with the best 5 apps. Make money online. Hey there, folks. Ever wondered how you can make real money without breaking a sweat? Stick around because today, we're unveiling 5 game-changing apps that'll put cash in your pocket. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Welcome everyone. Today, we're delving into the world of money-making apps, and we've got the inside scoop on 5 gems that can fill your wallet. So grab a seat and let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about userfeel.com, your ticket to easy online earnings. With Userfeel, you can turn your smartphone into a cash machine. It's all about testing apps and websites and getting paid for it. No fancy skills required, just your trusty phone and an internet connection. What's exciting is that Userfeel.com is a global sensation with hundreds of thousands of testers worldwide. So no matter where you are, this one's got your back. Plus, major companies trust it to iron out those pesky app bugs. You get to play detective and earn money while you're at it. And here's the icing on the cake. Userfeel is multilingual. Test apps in any language you prefer and still make a buck. It's super convenient too. All you need is your smartphone. No need for a fancy laptop or computer. Best part? You can do it from anywhere, anytime. Testing is a breeze and you can pocket $10 per test, taking just 10 to 20 minutes of your time. And when it's time to cash out, PayPal's got your back. It's a straightforward way to fatten up your wallet. So are you ready to give it a shot? Now, let's talk about honeygain.com. It's all about passive income, folks. Forget the corporate mumbo-jumbo. With Honeygain, you're in the driver's seat. You share your internet connection securely and watch the cash roll in. Honeygain is all about keeping your data safe and working with trusted partners. You won't lose any sleep over your privacy. Your job? Making the internet more accessible for others. Just install it, run it, and watch the money flow in. And whether you prefer PayPal or crypto options like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Honeygain's got you covered. Ready to give it a try? Head over to these apps, explore, and start your journey to real money today. It's way easier than you think. Alright, now let's chat about moneyapp.org. This one's earned its spot as top-rated app, with hundreds of thousands of satisfied users. It's the real deal. Moneyapp.org lets you complete tasks to earn credits that you can turn into cash. It's user-friendly and you'll love the extra cash in your wallet. What's fantastic is, if you're in a place without PayPal, Moneyapp.org's got your back. They offer Amazon gift cards and more. Plus, they'll kick things off with a sweet $10 just for signing up. It's like free money falling from the sky. And now, let's shine a spotlight on mypoints.com. This is no ordinary website. It's your gateway to a world of cash rewards through simple tasks, engaging surveys, and even the joy of playing games. You heard that right. Making money can be fun. Now, for those of you in places where PayPal might not be the go-to option, don't fret. MyPoints.com has your back with alternatives like Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, and more. They've got a variety of ways to put real money in your hands. But here's the kicker. MyPoints.com isn't just some fly-by-night operation. It's a trusted platform with a stellar 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot, and it's in cahoots with major brands, so you can trust them to put the greenbacks where they belong, in your pocket. Now, remember when we said you can make money fun? Well, MyPoints.com lets you score cash by referring your friends and family. All you've got to do is share your referral link on social media and watch the money roll in. It's the perfect recipe for passive income, and it doesn't get much easier than this. Last but not least, we've got Prizes by Gamey, an app that's all about making money. Gamey Prizes is your go-to arcade for addictive, free-to-play minigames that'll have you hooked. And here's the deal, we keep things fresh with over 70 different minigames, and we're adding new ones every month. That means more chances for you to win incredible prizes. Now let's talk about the real deal, cash rewards. You can win big bucks on PayPal with our daily lottery and scratchers. It's like scratching a lottery ticket, but way more fun. Plus, you can cash in by playing games and collecting tokens for a weekly giveaway. The more you play, the more you can win. It's as simple as that. But wait, there's more. Make it a daily habit to spin the wheel and watch your cash grow. You get instant cash as soon as you hit the $10 mark. It's that easy. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Gamey Prizes. Play your heart out and stack up those rewards. It's all about winning while having a great time. Don't miss out. Start earning real cash with Gamey Prizes today. So there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic apps that can fatten up your wallet. But before you rush off to explore these incredible opportunities, here's a little reminder for you. If you've found this information helpful and you're eager to discover even more ways to boost your income and make your financial dreams come true, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Profitability Plus. We regularly share expert insights, strategies, and the latest tips on money-making websites and opportunities. By subscribing, you won't miss out on the next big thing in the world of online income. So hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey together. Your financial success is just a few taps away, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll catch you in the next video.